Students of Standard 3rd. I'm Anita Mishra and today I'll be teaching you chapter number 1, Poonam's Day Out, part 3. As we know, in this chapter we learned about different types of animals, birds, and in the pond we saw many animals over there and how Poonam is looking at them. All these things we studied in this chapter and hope you remember about this chapter. Now we'll move forward in this chapter and we'll start with choose the correct option. But before we start, students, you have to keep in mind that you have to make one notebook of blue or red lines and you have to note down all these things in your notebook, and whenever you'll come to school I'll check your notebook and will be giving you extra question answers. Okay, students? So let's start with our choose the correct option. Okay? Which is the animal that can live on both on land and water? So, students, which animals can live on both on the land and water as well? Fish? No. Water snake? No. Frog? Yes. Frog can live on land and in water as well. Crab cannot even live. Which is the animal that crawls and moves? The animal that can even crawl like lizard and can even move. So rat? No, rat cannot crawl. Scorpion? No. Squirrel can only run. Yes. Snake can crawl and can move as well. Which animal lives on tree? Cat? No. Tiger? No. Deer? No. Tiger and deer lives in jungle and cat doesn't live on tree. So monkey lives on tree. What is the home of termites known as? Hole? No. Until. Shed? No. Dan is not as well. Which animal has a long tail? Bat, elephant, buffalo, or cockroach? Cockroach does not have tail. Elephant and buffalo. Bat even does not have tail. So we have to compare between elephant and buffalo. So students, whom do you think have long tail? Obviously buffalo, because elephant have a small tail. Which animal goes out at night in search of food? So in all this mentioned, parrot sleeps at night, goat even sleeps at night, rabbit even sleeps at night. Who is the one who is awake in night? Owl. Okay, students. Now we'll move forward to seventh. Which animal which animal is seen on the trunks of tree? Honeybee? No. Ant? No. Cockroach even not. Spider. Trunks of the trees means on the branches of the trees. Which animal has 8 legs? Housefly? No. Mosquito has only 4. Cockroach even does not have 8 legs. Spider have 8 legs. Now we'll move forward to fill in the blanks. The animal that makes burrows, which means holes, near roots of the tree is the rabbit. Rabbit makes holes to stay near tree only. The animal that sings coo coo is cuckoo. We'll find so many cuckoos around us in the rainy season. The animal that spins webs in the corners of the wall is the spider. Webs. You might have seen makdi ka jala in your house or very much webs in your house that are made by spider. The animal rest in the dash of the trees. So animals rest where? On the branches. The dash keeps its young one in the pouch of its body. So which animal has a pouch in the body? Kangaroo. And he keeps his or her child in his pouch. An elephant drinks water with its trunk, which is even known as nose of the elephant. Which animal that hangs upside down on the tree is the monkey. Monkey only can hang on ups and downside of the tree. Which the animal useful for riding in the desert is the camel. Camel can run in the desert. Okay, students. Now we'll move forward to put the right and wrong tick mark. The cow lives in a forest. No, cow lives in shades. A frog can live both on land and in water. Yes, frog can live on both the places. A cockroach has 6 legs. Yes, and spider has 8 legs. A snake can see at night too. Yes, snake can see at night too. We can even see at night. A bat cannot fly. No, bat can fly. All animals eat grass to live? No. There are animals who eat meat, flesh, and other things. The camel is known as the ship of the desert. Yes, is known as ship of the desert because he runs very fast in the desert. Human beings belong to the mammals category of animals. Yes, all the human beings are mammals. Okay. Now we'll move forward to match the following. Spinner of webs, spider. Living on the branches, monkey. Is seen at night. Whom do you see at night? Owl and bat. And we have option is bat. Hoops to move, frog. Crawls to move, it's snake. And the snake is python. Now we'll move forward to write the names on animals that live in the various homes. Okay, so lives in the burrow or holes, rabbit. Lives in the nest, raccoon. Raccoon is a bird. Lives in the house, horse. Lives in the water, fish. Then rat in makes the hole. Snake even makes the hole and leave. Mole even makes the hole and leave. Lives in the nest, birds. Lives in the houses, cow, dog, pig. Lives in the water, turtle and tortoise. Seal is one kind of fish only, and seahorse. And lives in the nest, birds. It can be crow as well, pigeon as well. So there are so many birds which lives in nest. Okay, students. Now we'll move forward to answer the followings. So first one is, which animals have you seen? So we have seen cow, goat, buffalo, monkey, dog, cat, lion, squirrel, horse, giraffe, tiger, elephant, zebra, and many other animals. We all have seen so many animals around us. So you all have to name them. Which animals may Poonam have seen at the pond? Let's remember. Poonam saw goat, yes, then crane, which was nearby to it, then frog, which was jumping, buffalo, which was sitting in the pond, stork, which was sitting on the buffalo, and tortoise. Poonam saw this many animals over there. And if you remember any other animals, you can write their name. Okay, students. Which animals crawl to move ahead? So it is snake, lizard, snail, crocodile, turtle. Now, fourth one. Which are the animals that can fly in the sky? Animals that can fly in the sky are birds. They are eagle, bat, butterfly, pigeon, crow, sparrow. Many of them are there who can fly in the sky. Okay, students. Now, fifth one. Which animal lives on the land? So, animals that live on the animals that live on the land are zebra, lion, tiger, cat, dog, cow, hen, horse, sheep, kangaroo, rabbit, and many other animals who can live on the land. Then, sixth one. Which are the animals that go out at night in search of food? So, the animals are owl, bat, fox, wolf, mouse, hen, raccoon, etc. goes for the search of food at night. Then, which animals live in the hollows of tree? Hollows of trees means making house in the trunk of the tree only. That is woodpeckers, raccoons, turkey, owl, etc. These all are the animals who make their house in the trunk of the trees only. Now, eighth one. Which animals hop and move forward? Kangaroo, who jumps and move forward. Then rabbit even jump and move forward. Hopping mouse, snake, hare, barrel, grasshopper, flea, etc. hops and then move forward. Which animals? Now, ninth one. Which animals have long tails? Cow, buffalo, squirrel, monkey, horse. These are the animals who have long tails, and there are many other animals, those who have long tails. Then, 10th one. Which animals have horns on their heads? Horns on their head. Cow, buffalo, deer, black buck, goat, and rhinoceros. These animals, and there are other animals as well who have horn on their head. Horn on their head only. They have this pointed horns on their head. Okay, students. Students, look at the picture and you have to color that animal which does not live in your house. This is your activity. Okay, students. So you have to guess which are the animals that does not live in your house. So I'll give you one example and you'll understand which animal does not live in our house. Elephant does not live in our house. So students, like this you have to guess and color those animal which does not live in our house. So you have to write all these things in your notebook, and whenever you'll come to school we'll check your notebook. Okay, students. So hope you understand the whole chapter, and we'll give you the extra words as well, extra homework as well. So keep noting these things. Thank you so much, students.